Alongside the Galaxy A80, Samsung has also took off the wraps for the A70, a device that was previously announced but has yet to arrive on our shores, and it still hasn't, but we've got a chance to play with it, so here's what we think. At a glance, the A70 looks and feels like what you expect from a device of the Galaxy A series. Its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 20:9 Infinity U display is slightly larger than the 6.4-inch Galaxy A30 and A50. It is on par with the A80. Also similar to the A80, the A70 has an in-display fingerprint sensor, but we weren't able to test it out as the demo units were in retail mode. In terms of hardware, the A70 has Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 675 chipset. It is by no means a high-end processor, but it still felt really smooth and responsive, especially with Samsung's cleaner One UI software. The A70 either comes in 6 or 8GB variants with 128GB of internal storage. It can be further expanded via microSD up to 512GB. It has a huge 4500 mAh battery with support for 25W super fast charging, which is really impressive considering its bigger brother, the A80, has a smaller 3700 mAh cell, despite having the same display size. Now, there's no swiveling cameras here, but the A70 does still feature a triple camera setup. It has a 32-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. Now, we're not able to judge the picture quality in such a short time. However, we did experience a few delays with the shutter button as well as when we were switching from the main camera to the ultra-wide camera. Overall, the Galaxy A70 is a mid-range jack of all trades, and speaking of jack, it does have a headphone jack. It does everything pretty well, but nothing really stands out. One factor that could make it for the A70 is its pricing. However, we've yet to hear that from Samsung. The phone is expected to launch locally around the end of May to early June, alongside the Galaxy A80. So let us know what you guys think of the Galaxy A70. If you'd like to check out our hands-on of the Galaxy A80, that will be in the description below. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!